Good morning, students. Now, let's start the second exercise of chapter 12, that is exponents and power. First exercise we have done all the questions that based on the law of exponents we have done, and we are also doing that Zoom online classes of class 8th, and the chapter we have started in the online classes is exponents and the powers. So now in this video we will discuss about the second exercise, very easy exercise, and we have already done the introduction of this in the previous video. Now in the second exercise, the sum first is we have to express the following given numbers in the standard form. Sum first is, first part is 0 point, from first part is 0.000 wait, let me count how many zeros are there. Eleven zeros are there. And then 85. This is given in the question, and we have to express it in a standard form. So how will we express in a standard form? Standard form means we have to write a number, and then we have to multiply it with the power of 10, with the exponent consisting as the base 10. So we will write this, as we can see, this is 85. So 85 into 10 raised to the power minus. Why minus? Because this is in the decimal form, so minus will come. So minus 11, or 8.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 will come. So this was the question. 11 zeros and then 85, so it will come 85 into 10 raised to the power minus 13, pardon, not 11, it will come minus 13 here. And now as we can see, it is minus 13, so we have just put a decimal here, and it will convert it into minus 12, because we will multiply this number by minus 12. Now one more question in this. 3186 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros are there. Now what is the difference in both this question? Here it is given in the decimal form, and here it is not given in the decimal form. While it is given in the decimal form, so we have to take the exponent of 10 as negative, and in this case we have to take the exponent of 10 as positive. So how will we write this? 3186 multiply 7 zeros, so 10 raised to the power 7 will come. And now we have to write it in the standard form, so we have to put a decimal here. So let's suppose we have to put decimal at 3 places, so 3.186 multiply 10 raised to the power 7, so multiply 10 raised to the power 3. Why 3? Because we have taken the decimal at 3 places, so here we can write as 3.186 into 10 raised to the power 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is our answer. So this is the first sum, that we have to write the following numbers in the standard form. We have done the decimal part, and we have also done the non-decimal type of part. The difference is, in the decimal type of questions, the exponent of 10 comes out to be the negative. We have to write it negative, and here we will write it as positive. Next is sum second. We have to express the number in usual form, and the first part is 3.02 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. 3.02 into 10 raised to the power 6, and we have to express it in the usual form. So how will we write this number? This number can be written as 0. As we can see, 10 raised to the power minus 6 is there, so, and 3.02 means in total how many, what is the exponent of 10 raised to the power 10 ki power, and that will be written as 0.1 2 3 4 5 6 and 302. So this is the standard form of this given number. Similarly, one more question based on this. 4.5 into 10 raised to the power 4, it can be written as, you can say that for in case of decimal, when we write decimal, means we take the exponent as negative 10 raised to the power 1 to 10 ki power minus 1, because decimal is at one places, so we have taken the exponent minus 1. Now 4 minus 1 means 10 to the power 3. So 45 into 10 raised to the power 3. 45 into 10 raised to the power 3 means 3 zeros will come at the end. So we can write this like this. See one more part of this question. That is sixth part, 3.61492 multiply 10 raised to the power 6. Now see the decimal is at how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write it as 3.61492 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power minus 5. Minus 5 because we have removed the decimal, and when we remove the decimal, so we will take the exponent as negative. So 3.61492 into 10 to the power 6 minus 5, that is 1. So 3.61492 is the answer. Now similarly in the sum third is given and we have to write it in the standard form. The question is given 1 micron is equal to sum third first part, 1 micron is given equal to 1 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to write in the standard form. So 1 divided by 1 upon 10 raised to the power 6, and when it comes to the numerator, that the sign of the exponent will change. So 1 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 6 will be the answer for this. Then size of bacteria is given in the third part. Size of bacteria is 0.0000000 and 5. So as we can see that the decimal is at the 7 places. So how can we write this number? 5 into 10 raised to the power. While we remove the decimal, then the exponent will comes in the negative. So 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. Let's see one more part. The question is thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 mm. Mm means millimeter, and we have to write it in the usual form, or you can say the standard form. So decimal is at the 2 places, so it will be written as 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, and it will come in as mm. So this is the second exercise that we have to write in the usual form, or we have to write it in the standard form. First exercise we have already done. So practice the questions on both the topics, do the solved examples as well. And as you all know that our Zoom class is also going on, so we will discuss more and more concept of exponents and powers in the Zoom classes. You can ask your queries in the comment section, in the WhatsApp group as well, on my personal number, and even in the Zoom classes. So do practice the questions of this chapter, exponents and powers. Till now we have covered rational numbers, squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, and exponents and powers. We will see the syllabus and we will discuss the new chapter in the next video, or we can revise any of the chapter if required. So do practice the questions, examples as well as the NCERT books. Always remember the laws of exponents which we have studied, very important laws. So practice more and more questions, because mathematics is all about the practice. So God bless you students. Thank you.